Hello, welcome to the Factbird kitchen here at our headquarters in Copenhagen. My name is Nikolai and I would like to quickly introduce to you how easy it is to set up our Clamp-On energy monitoring solution. Okay, so here we are at the Trusted Coffee Machine at our office. As you can see, we have already hooked up our existing energy monitoring solution along with a sensor to count the amount of coffee that's being produced. We've hooked all of it up to our trusted Factbird Duo, which acts as a gateway to send all of your data into the cloud. Furthermore, we have hooked up to the secondary input on the Duo our new Clamp-On energy monitoring solution. In between the Duo and the Clamp-On, we have an analog converter to make sure the data gets through. And just to show you how simple it is to hook up this new solution and start monitoring your energy consumption, we have a slightly modified extension cord here where we can clamp on and start gathering the data. So it is as simple as taking the clamp, hook it around, close it securely, and we're ready to make some coffee. That's a damn fine cup of coffee.